Now let us discuss about topological sorting using Kahn's algorithm or BFS algorithm. First let's see what is topological sorting. It is a linear ordering of vertices such that if there is an edge between U and V, then U appears before V in that ordering. Generally, what is sorting? Sorting means arranging the elements either in ascending or descending order. So for this graph, so this is the topological ordering sorting. Okay. So here the sorting means here the elements may be in any order. Okay. Let's check whether this is correct or not. So here topological sorting means linear ordering of vertices such that if there is an edge between two vertices U and V, then we can say that U appears before V. Here we have, in this graph, we have totally 6 edges such as phi 2 0, phi 2 2, next 4 2 0, next 4 2 1, next 2 2 3, 3 2 1. So let's check whether our outputs are correct or not. So this is first output, this is second output. So if we see here, what is the first edge? Phi 2 0. If we observe the first output, then phi appears before 0. Next phi 2 2. If we see here, phi appears before 2. If we see 4 2 0, 4 appears before 0. If we observe 4 2 1, 4 appears before 1. 2 2 3, 2 appears before 3. 3 2 1, 3 appears before 1. So we can say that this is one topological sorted linear order. Okay. Now let's check the second order. If we observe this one, phi 2 0, phi appears before 0. If we observe phi 2 2, phi appears before 2. 4 2 0, 4 appears before 0. 4 2 1, 4 appears before 1. 2 2 3, 2 appears before 3. 3 2 1, 3 appears before 1. 3 appears before 1. So likewise here we may have different outputs. Okay. All those outputs are correct only. Okay. Next point, we can apply topological sorting on DAG. DAG means directed acyclic graph. So we know what is a directed graph. Every edge in the graph will have some directions, directed arrows. Next, acyclic graph means the graph should not contain any cycle. If you see here, so what is a cycle? Cycle means a path, a sequence of edges where the source vertex and the destination vertex are the same. If we take this path, A to B we have edge, B to C we have edge, C to A we have edge. This is a path where the source vertex and the destination vertex are same. So we can say that this graph contains cycle. Whereas if we observe this graph doesn't contain any cycle. So we can apply topological sorting on this graph. Next, here the time complexity of the topological sorting is order of V plus E, where V represents set of vertices, E represents set of edges. So this is nothing but linear computing time. If we take some V square, this is quadratic computing time. This is cubic computing time. Quadratic, cubic will take more time, whereas this linear computing time will take less time for execution. Here the output is not unique. So we may get different outputs for the same graph. So this output is correct, this output is also correct. So this is about what is topological sorting. Now let's see the topological sorting using Kahn's algorithm or BFS algorithm with the help of an example. Now let us solve this example. So here first we have to find in degree of each vertex. In degree means the number of incoming edges of that node. If we take 0, 0 has 2 incoming edges, so in degree is 2. 1 has 2 incoming edges, so in degree is 2. 2 has 1 incoming edge, in degree 1, 3 has 1 incoming edge in degree 1, next 4 has no incoming edges, so in degree is 0, 5 no incoming edges, so in degree is 0. So next, select the vertex whose in degree is 0 and add that vertex to the Q. Why? Because we are using Kahn's algorithm here. Kahn's algorithm means BFS algorithm. We know BFS uses Q for its implementation. Here we are using two Qs. First Q for storing the vertices whose in degree is 0, whereas the second Q for storing the output. Okay. So select the vertex whose in degree is 0. Here we have two vertices whose in degree is 0. So we can add them in any order. So we can add like 5, 4, or we can add like 4, 5 also. Okay. Here topological sorting means we may get different outputs. There is no problem. We can add in any order. Okay. So next, perform the delete operation. We know Q works based on FIFO principle. So the element which is inserted first will be deleted. So here out of 5 and 4, 5 is deleted first. So let us delete 5 from the queue and place in the output queue. Okay. So now we have, here I am showing the deletion operation in a single graph, whereas in the examination it is better to show step by step. Okay. So here what we are doing, we are deleting 5. So let us delete 5. So its corresponding outgoing edges should also be deleted. So whenever a vertex is deleted, then we have to delete its corresponding outgoing edges also. So let us delete this outgoing edge and this outgoing edge. So now what will happen, in degree of its neighboring vertices will be reduced by 1. Okay. So previously it is 2. So now it will become 1. 0 has only 1 incoming edge. So this vertex is deleted. Next, previously in degree is 1. So now it will become 0. Okay. So again we have to do the same procedure. Find in degree of each and every vertex. Yes, already it was calculated. Second, select the vertex whose in degree is 0. So fourth vertex, second vertex in degree is 0. But fourth vertex is already added to the queue. So now let us add second vertex to the queue. So now perform the delete operation. So let us delete 4 from the queue and place it in the output queue. So delete 4 from the graph and we have to delete it corresponding outgoing edges also. So let us delete this outgoing edge as well as this outgoing edge. So let us show in a separate graph in the examination. Okay. So its outgoing vertices, its neighboring vertices in degree will be reduced by 1. So this 1 will become 0. Next, this 2 will become 1. This 2 will become 1. Okay. Next, we have to select the vertices whose in degree is 0. So 2 is already added. Here we have 0. So let us add 0 to the queue. Now let us perform the deletion operation. So 2 will be deleted and placed in the output queue. So 2 is deleted. So we have to delete its outgoing edges also. Okay. Its outgoing edges also. So this outgoing edge is deleted. So now this 3 in degree will become 0. So now we have to find the vertex whose in degree is 0. So 0 is already added. So now here we have 3 whose in degree is 0. So let us add 3 to the queue. Now let us perform the deletion operation. So 0. So delete 0. So delete 0. Here there are no outgoing edges for 0. So next we have, so delete 3 and place in the output. So here what we are doing, we are deleting 3 from the queue. So its outgoing edge will also be deleted. So now this vertex in degree will become 0. So now vertex 1 has in degree 1. So this is the output 5, 4, 2, 0, 3, 1. Let's check whether our output is correct or not. So if you see here, what are the edges which are given in the graph, original graph? 5, 2, 0 we have edge, 5, 2, 2 we have edge. Next 4, 2, 0 we have edge, 4, 2, 1 we have edge, 2, 2, 3 we have edge, 3, 2, 1 we have edge. Let's check 5 0. So here 5 appears before 0. 5 to 2. 5 appears before 2. 4 to 0. 4 appears before 0. 4 to 1. 4 appears before 1. 2 to 3. 2 appears before 3. 3 to 1. 3 appears before 1. So likewise we may have different outputs for the same graph. So this is about topological sorting using Kahn's algorithm or BFS.